Day 35. Rest rebuilds my body and my mind. Sleep and relaxation are top priorities for me. Taking time out helps me deal with daily pressures and helps me accomplish more. I reduce my risk of heart conditions, diabetes, and other health issues related to stress when I rest. I strengthen my immune system. I feel mentally and physically fit. I aim for 8 hours of sleep each and every night. I go to bed and wake up at a consistent time. I keep my bedroom dark and quiet. I exercise regularly and limit my use of alcohol and caffeine. I take time for prayer and reflection in a quiet place every day. I find a comfortable place to sit and observe my thoughts. I breathe deeply and let go of judgments. My mind becomes calmer and clearer. I take a walk. Fresh air and physical activity give me energy. I take a nice hot shower and focus on relaxing each day. I soothe sore muscles and enhance my circulation. I light candles to create a relaxing atmosphere. I read a novel or listen to soft music. I eat and drink mindfully. I sit down for meals and snacks. I chew my food slowly, noticing the taste and texture and colors. I disconnect from work at least one day each week. I balance my personal and professional responsibilities. Today, I slow down and enjoy life. I savor moments of peace and quiet. I restore my energy and help my mind and body to heal. Here's some self-reflection questions. What can I tell myself if I feel guilty for taking time to rest? Why is it important for me to use my vacation days? What would I like to do during a relaxing evening at home?